And we have here Kyle, Jacob, and Isaiah. My good morning, the members of the family. And to the rest of you here, happy 9th anniversary. Anyway, it's been 9 years that Q Hotel has been thriving now in the accommodation industry. On behalf of the We Group of companies, we are so thankful for the contribution of Q Hotel in our coffers, most especially to the consortium of the new family. This hotel has contributed a lot. In fact, it has created another hotel, though still in its infancy, or not really in its infancy, still in its conceptualization stage, since we are still constructing that, hoping that we can launch that by next year, at the end of next year. So that will be a bigger hotel, and that hotel became materialized because of the fruits and labors of this organization. So you deserve a big round of applause. And we are thankful to all of you, the staff members, but not only that, but our guests, our visitors who patronize Q Hotel. And then, don't worry, being the business development manager, we look forward for an aggressive organization, the We Group of companies, and we are beginning a lot of expansion program. Soon we'll be launching another restaurant, and then on top of the Q Hotel Panglao, we are also entertaining another 10-story building in Panglao. So just help pray that all of these will be materialized. We might be also joining to the automobile industry, and we are also looking forward for another branch of McDonald's in the food industry. And then we have a lot of concepts right now, because all these things will happen starting by a cup of coffee discussion. So with this, on behalf of the We Group of companies, on behalf of the new family, this has been your business development manager saying have a good day and happy 9th year anniversary. Thank you.